All right, well, we got through the rain this morning and then the sunshine came out and it turned out to be a really nice day.
Yeah, really nice. Dave, we're going to give you the gold medal because
Thank you.
Today you delivered.
and the leaves that go on my head too, that would be good. Put something up there. We got the winds up this afternoon too, guys, despite the sunshine and the warm temperatures. Looking out over Blues Lake where you can see a little ripple on the water out there, but plenty of sunshine in place. And the winds have been gusting just over the past hour. We've seen winds of 40 to 45 miles per hour over Forsyth County, 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts back out over Alamance, Guilford County near 30 in Reedsville, and back out over the mountains, wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour too. Temperatures very nice out there, very warm. In fact, record warmth out there. 79 right now in Lexington, 76 in Winston-Salem and Greensboro, 75 Asheboro and Burlington, 76 in Stokes County, and also at Mount Airy, and 72 in Wilkesboro, and 50s and 60s back up in the mountains right now. So these are our high temperatures so far for the day. We may have gotten another degree up there in some spots, but 79 is the warmest it's been in Lexington so far, the warm spot on this map at this hour. So our old record for today's date was 74. That was set back in 1922. So we beat that already, 76, and we might have gotten a 77 in there for a minute, but we won't have the official numbers until just before 5 o'clock. We'll share that with you then. Into early week tomorrow, morning shower, then we'll see some afternoon sun mix in. It'll be mild. We'll be in the low mid 60s, not as warm as today, but still above average. And then for Sunday, periods of some spotty rain, some clouds. Temperatures are going to be in the 40s. It'll be windy too on Sunday. Not a great day. Saturday's the best of the weekend days. And then for Monday and Tuesday, cold sunshine and brisk winds in here with highs in the 40s. Here's a front that's just back out, well, really right over the central part of the state. Some showers now. Those are the ones that moved through earlier. They're now moving off to sea. Warm throughout the southeast. And colder air back up over portions of the upper plains. You can see temperatures here 8 at Bismarck, 25 Minneapolis, 30 in Chicago. We'll get into some of this colder action as we get into Sunday and the first couple of days of next week too. But for tomorrow, we'll start off in the 50s. A few showers may be around early. They'll be pretty scattered. Then we should see some sun mix into the afternoon. Not as windy tomorrow. Low and mid 60s for tomorrow afternoon. Not a bad Saturday. And then for Foothills, same thing, 62. Early showers in place early in the day and light winds there as well. And in the mountains, they'll have some early showers too. Drying out in the afternoon, mostly sunny, and temperatures into the mid 50s in the mountains for tomorrow. Here we are with the showers. We come into tomorrow morning and can see temperatures right around the 50-degree mark. They clear out, as do some of the clouds. We'll still see mostly sunny skies, I think, and temperatures into the low and mid 60s tomorrow. That's a pretty good bargain. Then as we get into Saturday night, this is overnight Saturday night, very early Sunday, you see another batch of rain that comes through. And then during the day Sunday, we see some spotty shower activity. But look at these temperatures, only into the 40s for Sunday. And as the sun gets ready to set, they'll fall off into the 30s rather quickly late Sunday afternoon. The winds will be in place Sunday too, 25, 30 mile per hour wind gusts once again. So there may be a bit of a wind chill to deal with as we get into late Sunday. So this is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. This low starts to come up along areas of North Carolina, South Carolina border. Brings some rains in here for early Sunday morning. Then it kicks on out of here as we get into Sunday evening. Still left over with a few clouds, and you can see some of the snow showers that might come up over some of the higher elevations as we get into that time frame. Rainfall totals through the weekend not looking great, maybe upwards of a quarter of an inch. It will help a little bit with the drought, but it's certainly not going to alleviate it. And potential snow up in some of the higher elevations may be upwards of an inch to an inch and a half as we get on in through Monday. So something to remember there. Winter's not over yet, is it? You can see here again, Saturday looking best. Sunday, we might get a break or two of sun in there, but temperatures will be cold and windy, 47. And then we're chilly Monday and Tuesdays, highs in the 40s. Then we get some 50s and even around 60 late next week, and a chance for showers then too.